Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Mobileserve app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Mobileserve is a volunteer management app designed to help individuals and organizations easily log, verify, and report service hours. It allows users to track activities with photos, GPS location, and digital signatures for accurate verification. Administrators, such as schools, nonprofits, or companies, can approve hours, manage groups, and generate detailed reports to simplify program management. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the clean interface and how simple it is to log hours quickly. The app makes reporting easy with automated summaries, and organizations find it useful for reducing paperwork. Features like group management and cloud-based syncing are praised for making volunteer tracking more transparent and efficient. Still, the app does have some drawbacks. A few users mention occasional syncing delays and limited offline functionality, which can be an issue in areas without strong connectivity. Some also feel that the reporting features could be more customizable for larger organizations. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Mobileserve app may be worth using if you need a streamlined, reliable way to track and verify volunteer service. It's especially helpful for students, nonprofits, and companies that run structured programs. However, if you often work offline or need highly advanced reporting tools, you might find its limitations restrictive. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.